Okay, Algebra 2 students, here is a video for example 2, section 2.3, relating factors to zeros of a function. We have a graph of the function here, of the function x squared plus 2x minus 8. It has a 0 at negative 4 and another 0 at 2. And they want us to notice how that relates to this quadratic when it's factored. If you recall, the strategy on how to factor, we find factors of negative 8 that add up to negative 2, and that is positive 4 and negative 2. This is in a previous section, so I just going through that quickly. So here's what it looks like factored. Notice how these numbers relate to negative 4 and positive 2. Negative 4, like if x is negative 4, this is going to come out to 0. If x is positive 2, this is going to come out to 0. And that's what they describe here, is that they're related. If you have the quadratic factored, these will tell you what the zeros are. If you just set that equal to 0, you can subtract 4 from both sides and get x equals negative 4. Or in this case, you would add 2 to both sides and get x equal 2. So that's what they wanted us to notice, that the factors x plus 4 and x minus 2 are related to the zeros x equal negative 4 and x equal 2, since each of the zeros makes one of the factors 0 and wipes it all out. So we're going to try to use that strategy here for this quadratic. How do the zeros relate to the factors of this? Well, it looks like it crosses around, well, I can see they cross at 4 and 5. Well, let's see if does this factor to x plus 4 and x plus 5? It does not, because remember, we need to find factors of 20 that add up to negative 9, so it's actually, if you don't mind, I'm going to try to write it here, x minus 4 times x minus 5. Negative 4 times negative 5 is 20. Negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9. So how do the zeros relate? The zeros are at 4 and 5, and that's where it is on the graph. Let's see what they wrote. The factors, x minus 4 and x minus 5, are related to the zeros, since the zeros. Yeah, it's the same thing as what they had before. This section is just having us realize how they're related. Not too many problems I think that they're going to give us to do. 23 and 14. That's it for this video. Have a great day.